just in time. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Wealth and fame he's ignored. Action is his only reward to him. Life is a great big bang up. Wherever there's a hang up, you'll find a spider.
Yeah, so often when you use these applications, you forget that you're in the browser. They rebuild the same things. You know, you have windows that you can move around. You have these sheet views that can come down, buttons. Everything is re-implemented in JavaScript, and it feels really good. So let's first look at Cappuccino and see how we can get started with Cappuccino. Cappuccino uses an approach of having two languages that you can use to write your applications. So you have JavaScript, and you also need to use Objective-J. Objective-J is a port of Objective-C to JavaScript. Yeah, it sounds crazy, it is crazy, but it works, and it's pretty awesome actually. And on top of Objective-J, they have ported Apple's Cocoa frameworks. What that means is they basically copied them completely. So you can look at Apple's documentation for Cocoa